Asante sana, Senator. Good evening to our ambassador and all the members of the diaspora, with a special mention to the team that has put this amazing evening gala dinner and the whole program that we've been here for the past 3 days. Good evening, everyone. My name is Jalang'O. I'm the Member of Parliament of Lang'ata constituency. Hawa wote ni wabunge wa mashinani. Mimi ni mbunge wa Nairobi Town, Lang'ata constituency. Wamama hai. Thank you so much. I want to take this opportunity. Wababa pia. Asante sana. I'm one of the MPs who've decided to directly work with the president as we try to move and push for the unity of the country. We and I believe that for anything that we are discussing here, or for the purpose of this meeting to even make sense, we need stability back at home, and we need peace back at home. And I'm happy the President and the Right Honorable Raila Odinga are already talking, and soon and very soon we know there will be peace, stability, and even for you people who are here in diaspora, we'll have a chance to now invest and bring your money back home and know that we have a stable country, right? Because the president needs support. If he loses, we all lose, right? So for me, I want to say I've been missing from a few of the sessions. It was my first time in DC, so I took time to go and know this city very well. So that's why I was not here during the day. So I'd gone to White House to see where my cousin used to live. And I'm happy I went there and I enjoyed. All right? And I'll be coming back now personally without being paid for. I'll come and visit some of you here. And if you're willing to host me, tell me now. So that especially ladies, just host me, I'll be available and we will enjoy.
Jalasi ni wale, unasikia wale monojeuri. Yani kijana ni form 1 lakini ujuaji ni ya form 3. So he's having his first term, but munajua he's a global citizen. That one is known. Na yeye spirit yake ako ODM, lakini hii ni ile ODM iko ndani ya serikali. Kabisa.